everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. We just came home from church and I have five hungry boys here and I need to get going on dinner, and it's gonna be pretty quick, so I wanna show you what I'm making that's super fast. I need to get started. So first what I'm making is just some sloppy joes. So I have some ground beef back there starting to warm up, and all I'm gonna do is just use my Winco sauce of sloppy joe sauce, although from Phillips Fam Bam, they have a really easy recipe to make your own sloppy joe sauce, and I'm gonna definitely do that next time. I had already bought these. Plus back here I have some potatoes frying. So instead of putting it in a bun, I'm just going to lay it over the top of the potatoes, and it's super good with some cheddar cheese on top. So that'll be part of our dinner. And then the other part is I'm going to be making some Parmesan, zucchini, and broccoli together. Since I have broccoli, I might as well toss it in with the zucchini. So super easy recipes. They're pretty quick and yummy. Now I'll show you a little bit more as everything's getting going, but super easy, right? Okay, so I have a tablespoon or so of olive oil with some, like a couple cloves of garlic. I'll have the recipe card at the end of the video. I'm just gonna salt and pepper this and sprinkle, about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese on that. Bake it at 425 for 10 or so minutes. Just kind of watch it, just kind of make them crisp. Sounds good. And then over here, I have some potatoes frying up. Oh yeah. So every time I give them a good little flip, I like them extra crispy. And I'll add a little bit more. Ooh, that's great right there. Oh, I love that. A little more salt and pepper. I'll keep adding a little bit more. I probably do it about 3 or 4 times. The salt and pepper or the flipping over. So that'll make them about crisped up, ready to eat. A little more salt and pepper. Gosh, it smells so good. And then over in this area, I have ground beef going. So as soon as this is not pink anymore, I will just add the sauce and just let it kind of come to a boil, the sloppy joe sauce. It is already smelling delicious, and I can't cook this fast enough, right? I hope everybody had a great weekend. We were able to get a lot of things done and visit with each other. I love hanging out with my family. Yesterday my son had, my son had a concert, and we didn't get to see the concert, but I'll show you what we did yesterday. I will insert here. Samurai Sam's. We love their teriyaki bowls here. So here's mine. Uzzies. You like those Uzzies? You like those bowls? Yeah, they're pretty good, huh? And it comes down to the sauce. We like eating. Have some with veggies. Get some more sauce. We just love their sauce. Like, this is a chain that we like. It is so good, right? What's your favorite part?
The chicken.
The chicken. Oh, yes. Stuff. What do you like eating here?
The sauce.
The sauce, right? The sauce is boss. Is that what you said? They have really good sauce here. So it is franchise, and they do sell the, see, that's our leftovers. But it's just so good. So if you have a Samurai Sam's near you, it's very good. I would definitely go check it out. And it's just one of the things that we've done today on this Saturday. And we also, even though we couldn't go to the concert, we still supported the band by attending the drumline show, and I'll show you here. So the potatoes are mostly done. Let me show you here. And I'm just going to, yeah, they're done. I'm going to then put the sloppy joe. Now I had more than a pound. The container actually had 1.3 pounds. So I'm just going to, it's a little bit more than we normally put. So I'm just gonna put that right on top. Smells delicious. And that's pretty much it. You just unplug that from the wall. Throw some cheese on that. And now it's just gonna heat up, heat through, melt that cheese into it. And we are done. Yum, yum. So I'm just gonna keep that nice and hot while we're waiting for the zucchinis and the broccolis to finish up. Yum. Look at how great the cheese melted. I'll bring it closer. Wow. So good. And the broccolis smell delicious, and the zucchini. So I'm just gonna kind of start putting them, I want to say shovel it on. It's kind of like that, right? And then some of this, and then we'll make that a plate, and then get everybody going. So good. So that dinner was tasty, delicious, awesome. Loved it. In fact, I think I'm gonna make my vegetables a little bit like that a little more often. Can't even talk because I'm so excited about this next recipe. I am making a cookie pizza. So it's nothing too fancy, and at the end of the video, you're gonna get 2 recipes. One for the vegetables and one for this. So this is just sugar cookie dough. So use your favorite sugar cookie recipe and roll it out, or just buy it at the store, the Pillsbury, the already pre-made, and then just roll it out. Now you can make it circular if you have a pizza pan, but I just have my my cookie sheet, so I'm just gonna try to make it more rectangular and get it to fit, and then just follow directions. And as this is going, I'm going to start making the topping. So you'll need a cream cheese block that's softened, some powdered sugar, and some Cool Whip to make the topping, which will be kind of like the filling, kind of, when you put the fruit on top. So I just took this out of the fridge, and I forgot to take it out to keep it at room temperature, but I just threw it in the oven while it was kind of heating up, and it's really soft. So I'm gonna remember that tip. So I'm just gonna throw everything in the bowl and just pretty much beat it up. And I'll show you what that looks like. And it's done. This topping, oh my. It's kind of cream cheesy. You don't have to try it. Oh my gosh. This would just be good with graham crackers, a spoon. So good. So it's gonna go on top of the cookie as it's cooled down. And then I'm putting some fruit on there. So I have some strawberries, bless you, some raspberries, some mandarin oranges, and some pineapple. Couldn't remember, but there it is. Those 4 ingredients, and I'm just kind of make them like a fruit salad of sorts, and then I'll just pour it on top, and I'll show you when it's done. The cookie just came out of the oven. Ooh, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna go put that in the back fridge so it will cool down faster and we can devour this a lot sooner. So I flash froze it, or at least just cooled it down. And I'm just gonna put our topping on. And oh goodness, I can't wait to eat this. Do you have a go-to cookie recipe that you could use for this? Or what do you make on Sundays when you're just wanting something sweet? Sometimes I just put frosting on a graham cracker. That's what we do. Okay, so next is the fruit. Look at how yummy that looks. Yum, yum. So I'm just gonna use this pastry cutter to cut some, extra large pieces. And we're just gonna have to share, maybe. Okay, we're gonna share. Yum. And here's my piece. Look at how thick that nice crust is. Super good cookie dough recipe, I already know. And it's all yummy. So this is our family's version of a cookie pizza. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is something you've liked, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. I put out lots of different kinds of recipes, and it's so good. Also, if you haven't signed up for the giveaway, go back to my slow cooker cheesy chicken and rice video and watch it, and you just have to follow the directions, right? Follow the rules. Anyways, I'll be picking a winner for Friday's video. I'm super excited, and they're gonna be winning a cookbook and a $25 gift card, Visa gift card. So make sure you're signed up for that. Thanks for stopping by, and you never know what I'll be rolling out next.